let's count alive. Clap your hands and do a jive. 5 times 1 is 5, hooray. 5 times 2 is 10 today. 5 times 3 is 15, sing. Learning numbers is a fun thing. 5 times 4 is 20 now. Take a little learning bow. 5 times 5 is 25. Keep on dancing, keep the vibe. 5 times 6 is 30, see. Math is easy as can be. 5 times 7 is 35. Jump up high and feel alive. 5 times 8 is 40. We're getting smarter every day. 5 times 9 is 45. Count with me and high five. 5 times 10 is 50. Done. Learning tables is lots of fun. 5, 5, count and sing. Math can be a happy thing. 5, 5, shout it loud. You can make your teacher proud.